we are honored to introduce something new and deeply meaningful, our membership program called Living Waters Circle. The name Living Waters draws from the rich Catholic and biblical imagery. Jesus tells the Samaritan woman at the well in John 4:14, "Whoever drinks the water I give them will never thirst." This living water is the Holy Spirit, the source of life, renewal, and grace. It's what nourishes our souls and sustains us in our journey of faith. At Cultivate School of Theology, we've heard from so many participants that our retreats, lectures, and workshops aren't just events. They're sacred encounters, moments of grace that shape their spiritual lives. We wanted to create a way to walk more closely together beyond just a single event and cultivate a deeper sense of belonging. The Living Waters Circle invites you into a community rooted in this Catholic tradition of formation, grounded in prayer and study, yet open to the guidance of the Holy Spirit. It's about being part of something bigger, a shared journey of faith. When you join, you'll get one free registration for any virtual or in-person continuing education session up to an $80 value. You'll also enjoy 20% off all eligible paid events for the whole year, reserved seating at our in-person lectures, and 2 exclusive members-only online spiritual reflections led by a renowned spiritual leader, and a special OST welcome gift to get you started. Joining is simple. Visit our website at www.ost.edu and click on the Living Waters Circle registration tab. Membership is $165 and you can register there for the full academic year. The Living Waters Circle is a way for us to support each other in listening to that Spirit, growing in faith, and becoming more fully who God calls us to be. We look forward to welcoming you into the Living Waters Circle, a community of faith, formation, and friendship.